everyone. Today's topic is effects and control measure of water pollution. So in this class we will learn what are the effects of water pollution, what are the control measures of water pollution. So please watching till the end of my video. Hello everyone. Welcome back once again in your tutorial. This is Nowsin and you are watching Educational Support. If you like this video, then press a subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. And you have turned on all the notifications on your phone so that you don't miss a single video. We know that water is a precious resource and water is vital to the existence of all living organisms. Without water, life is just impossible on earth. Water is getting polluted day by day due to careless excessive use, so that the percentage of available drinking water is reducing. If you are eager to know about what is water pollution, types and causes of water pollution, then keep visiting Educational Support. Subscribe my channel, like and share this channel with your friends, and also press a bell icon to get notification. And the link of my previous videos are given in my description box below. Now we are going to discuss the main effects of water pollution. Unsurprisingly, human activity is primarily responsible for water pollution. Even natural phenomena such as floods can also contribute to degrade the water quality. Here's a list of water pollution effects on the environment and on the human health. Aquatic ecosystems, toxic water, thermal heating, marine ecosystem, all of these are affected by water pollution. On human health, shortening of drinking water, increased body level, change of rivers in dustbin causes negative effects on public health. So first is on the environment. Aquatic ecosystem, water pollution truly harms biodiversity and aquatic ecosystem. Death of aquatic organisms. Chemicals and heavy metals from industrial and municipal wastewater contaminate waterways as well. These contaminants are toxic to aquatic life, most often reducing an organism's lifespan and ability to reduce and make their way up the food chain as predator eats prey. That's how tuna and other big fish accumulate high quantities of toxins such as mercury. Birds and mammals become coated with oil. Healthy ecosystems rely on a complex web of animals, plants, bacteria and fungi, all of which interact directly or indirectly with each other. Harm to any of these organisms can create a chain effect, imperiling entire aquatic environments. Next is toxic water. When water pollution causes an algal bloom in a lake or marine environment, the proliferation of newly introduced nutrients stimulates plant and algae growth, which in turn reduces oxygen levels in the water, and this is known as eutrophication and suffocates plants and animals and can create dead zones where waters are essentially devoid of life. In certain cases, these harmful alga blooms can also produce neurotoxins that affect wildlife. Thermal heating. Thermal pollution, defined by a rise in the temperature of water bodies, contributes to global warming and causes serious hazards to water organisms. Marine ecosystems are also threatened by marine debris, which can struggle, suffocate, and starve animals. Much of these solid debris, such as plastic bags and soda cans, gets swept into showers and storm drains and eventually out to sea, turning our oceans into trash soup and sometimes consolidating to form floating garbage patches. Discarded fishing gear and other types of debris are responsible for harming more than 200 different species of marine ecosystem. Second one is human health. Drinking water. So, water pollution has become negative effects on public health. Shortage of drinking water, rivers are changed into dustbin, reducing a lot of diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, skin infections, etc. So in zones where there is no available drinking water, the main risk is dehydration, obviously. Next is BOD. When water is polluted, increase in the BOD level. So did you know what is BOD? The full form of BOD is biochemical oxygen demand. The biochemical oxygen demand is defined as the measures of dissolved oxygen required to decompose the organic matter in water biologically. Changes of rivers. So rivers are changed into dustbin causes water pollution, which has a very negative effects on public health. Next, we are going to discuss about prevention of water pollution. So what can I do to prevent water pollution? What you can do to help? Everything you need to know. Our rivers, reservoirs, lakes and seas are drowning in chemicals, waste, plastic and other pollutants. Here's a list of water pollution solutions. Number 1 is wastewater treatment. So wastewater treatment consists of removing pollutants from wastewater through a physical, chemical or biological process, and the more efficient this process are, the cleaner the water becomes. Number 2 is green agriculture. So globally, agriculture accounts for 70% of water resources, so it is essential to have climate-friendly crops, efficient irrigation that reduces the need for water and energy-efficient food production. Green agriculture is also crucial to limit the chemicals that enter the water. So viewers, if you enjoyed this video or learned anything, then press a like button and don't forget to subscribe. If anyone missed my previous videos, then visit my YouTube channel Educational Support, and link of these videos are given in my description box below. So go for it and subscribe my channel. Number 3 is stormwater management. Stormwater management is the effort to reduce runoff of rainwater or melted snow into sleets, lawns and other sites, and the improvement of water quality. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency EPA, it is important to avoid pollutants from contaminating the water and helps to us use water more efficiently. Number 4 is air pollution prevention. Air pollution has a direct impact on water contamination as 25% of human introduced CO2 emissions are absorbed by oceans. This pollution causes a rapid acidification of our oceans and threatens marine life and corals. Preventing air pollution is the best way to prevent this from happening. Number 5 is plastic waste reduction. Participate in a cleanup plastic. 80% of plastic in our oceans is from land sources. In order to reduce the amount of plastic entering our ocean, we need to both reduce our use of plastic globally and to improve plastic waste management. Number 6 is water conservation. So, turn off running water, and without water conservation, we don't go very far. It is central in making sure the world has become access to clean water. It means being aware that water is a scarce resource, taking care of it accordingly and managing it responsibly. Number 7 is sewage treatment plant. So be careful about what you throw down your sink or toilet. Number 8 is participate in a cleanup program. Number 9 is education. Spread awareness, and making people aware of the problem is the first step to solving it. Greater public awareness can make a positive difference. So check your progress. Number 1 is what are the effects of water pollution? Number 2 is what are the prevention of water pollution? I hope you enjoyed this lecture. So keep watching and keep learning. In the comment section, you can tell me how satisfied are you with this class, and please put down a comment under this video because this will help me to improve better. So subscribe my channel, like and share this video with your friends, and also press a bell icon right next to it. And happy watching. To know more about biology related topics, then keep visiting Educational Support. Thank you. Bye-bye.